I'm recording, so start whenever you want.
Dude, this tilt is like interesting. It's the cue.
I got that one. I got that one.
Guys, I'm crying. It's definitely not because I have sunscreen in my eye.
Just FYI, this is actually where I got into my first street accident.
Wait, this is making for a terrible video, bro. I can't see. People are gonna think I'm crying.
It's gone wrong, dude. Gone wrong.
People are gonna think I'm being emotional, but I straight up just have sunscreen in my eye.
Alright.
That one didn't see the sign.
Oh, that is true. I was gonna get him too. Wait, do you think that guy maybe like knew us? That's why they honk? Otherwise, who's gonna honk at us?
I'm a pretty popular guy, so who knows?
That's what I'm saying. Do you want to talk about the idea behind this video?
Yeah, I mean, I just wanted to see if people actually talk to other humans, you know? Because I think sometimes people think homeless people aren't humans, but like, man, at the end of the day, they are. Like, even if they're like drug addicts or whatever other stereotype or preconceived notion you have of them, like they're still humans at the end of the day, and I feel like they still deserve like a hello, a hi.
I think a lot of society's problems stem from homelessness. You know, like all this drug addict and, you know, crime, it's because people don't essentially have a safe place. You know, imagine coming home after a long day of work, you don't actually have someone to call your own. You know, you're never safe essentially, which is why I think people develop, you know, these psychological issues.
Yeah, and I think people like, they don't understand what people are going through, but then they think like, hey, like they're not human. Like that's the thing I don't like is like, when people hold like signs like this on the street, obviously like, they're not asking for honks, they're asking for other stuff. Like, I feel like the least you can do is make eye contact, man. Like, don't look away. Like, recognize their humanity. Recognize that they're people too.
You want to start walking back?
Yeah, let's start walking backwards.
Slow down, I can't walk that fast.
Don't fall, bro.
This is a tilt, bro. It's kind of difficult.
People are reading the signs. Like, I can see them reading
I
the
don't
signs.
doubt them, dude.
They just don't honk, so I guess like...
It's green now.
No, it's okay. We'll see it.
Oh, that was a 2-in-1 combo.
This isn't McDonald's, bro.
That was definitely not tomatoes.
What?
Oh.
Hello.
I guess we got another
Another one?
I don't know which one that was.
So I'm not trying to make eye contact with people. Oh, okay, so they're reading the sign. This guy doesn't want to make eye contact with me. Oh well. That guy's in a tinted car making eye contact with me, so he thinks I can't see him, but I can see him. Someone honked? Who's that?
I'm not sure. Do you see anybody waving?
I don't know. Someone's smiling at me. Oh, someone's taking a Snapchat of me. What's up? Hello. What's up, man? Have you ever talked to someone homeless? What was it like?
Well, they're Christian, so I gave them
Appreciate it, man. Hey, good for him, bro.
You wanna start walking back?
Yeah. Oh, there's a police car.
Oh, jeez. Okay, thank goodness.
Alright, let's
What we're doing is technically illegal, so.
Is it?
Oh, we did. We jaywalked to get here. You can't just stand
They
in
can't
the
prove that.
Bruh, there's no crosswalk.
Can I just hold it high? See what happens when people hold it high?
You know, the problem behind so many cars, you're inhaling all their toxic fumes. Think about the carbon monoxide that's coming out right now.
Are you saying we're about to die?
Definitely reducing like 20 seconds off our lifespan, probably.
Sheesh! Oh, I'm not. Just like, I'm not homeless. Thank you though, thank you. So that lady there just offered me like $10.
Oh.
But I'm not homeless. That was really kind of her though, to try to offer money.
What do you think is the most efficient way to help the homeless people?
That's tough, dude. I don't think I have the answer. I'm pretty sure every
No,
answer.
like let's say you want to help, you know, someone who's homeless, like on the street, you know, how would you help them? What do you think is the best way?
Talk to him. I think the least you could do is talk to him. Very least. And like, I always have little care packages in my car. Because some people don't like giving money because they don't know where the money's going.
See, I follow that same kind of mindset.
Yeah, so if you have a care package, you know, like, see, the thing I don't like is like people who make the money excuse. It's not like they're spending that money to help people. I mean, some of them are, but like most of them, they make the money excuse like, hey, I don't know where this money is going, but then they don't spend that money helping other people. But you could have a care package, then you know where the money is going, you know? And so I think there are little things you can do. Everyone can do something, you know? All right, let's start off with that.
Oh, screw you. This is so difficult. I don't know if that guy, he was back there. I don't know if he read the sign. Oh, maybe he did.
Oh, John fell.
Dude, that's what I'm saying. This is not as easy as it looks. Did I hear a honk? Oh no, that was just.
No, these people are just getting in an accident. There's a guy in a Porsche that is squinting to read my sign. I don't think I wrote it big enough. Honestly, I just hope people learn and just understand that people are approachable. That's my biggest takeaway from this. I'm not making sense, am I? I think what I'm trying to say is, at the end of the day, we're all people. We're all humans. Take the time to get to know each other. And like, who someone is on their worst day isn't necessarily who they've been their entire life, you know?
Alright, we're 20 minutes in.